For most small businesses, Christmas brings in more sales than any other time of the year, which means getting your audience to feel the holiday spirit with festive graphics is a step you definitely don't want to skip. And in this video, we're going to show you how to make holiday graphics for your business, so be sure to keep watching. Welcome back to LYFE Marketing. We are a digital marketing agency dedicated to helping small businesses grow. And in this channel, we make videos to help with just that. Before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to our channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon to get notified as we upload more of our business growing videos. If you've tuned into our channel before, you know that we recommend Canva for creating quality, professional looking graphics because it doesn't need professional know-how to operate. And of course, in this video, we're using Canva to create holiday themed graphics. So let's start with a 1080 by 1080 blank page for a standard social media post graphic. In Canva, the search box is your best friend. Using it, you can pull up any element, photo, video, sound, and template, among others, from their huge library to use for your own design. With special event graphics, you can simply type in the specific holiday, in this case Christmas, and you'll have tons of relevant elements to choose from. If you don't have much experience with graphic design, the Templates tab is a huge help and will give you a ton of options on designs to start with. Let's say we want to start with this design. Now we can start importing our business's branding visuals to the design. You'll want to have at least your brand's logo and photos of your product or service to incorporate to the designs, and then you can supplement this with relevant background images and elements, the right color and branding to fit your personalized holiday graphic. To delete any existing elements in your design page, simply click on it and hit delete. You can then add in your own brand logo, photos, and videos by going to the Uploads tab here on the left side of the page, clicking on the Uploads button and selecting our files, or simply by dragging and dropping your files directly into the canvas. As mentioned earlier, using Canva's search bar, you can now pick any element from Canva's library that are Christmas themed to add to your graphic. Just be sure they are on brand. Now, the content of your graphic will depend on the type of post you're doing, but a standard social media graphic should feature a business logo, a hero image or illustration if it's an infographic, a headline text, complementing background, and some on-brand decorative elements. Now, if you're making a sale graphic, you need to add a call to action button into that mix. Alternatively, you can start with a blank canvas with any of your business's graphics without the need to edit from an existing preset template from Canva. Just be sure you're following your visual branding guidelines to be sure you're staying on brand. We have a video on how to create your own visual branding, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. So let's say you put together your business's holiday themed visual in Canva and you're happy with how it looks. Do not stop there. Again, with Christmas being such a huge driver for sales, we need to make sure we're pulling all the stops with our festive graphic. I mean, technically, yes, we can stop here and we have a great still graphic ready for the holidays, but because we're using Canva, we can take our graphic to the next level and make our audience feel the holiday cheer even more by adding movement and music. Sounds complicated, but it's super simple to do in Canva. With your design selected, you'll see here at the top left above your design page an animate button. Once you click that, you'll see a bunch of preset animation templates. Hovering over one will start a preview on how it will look on your design. Once you find one you like, you can simply click to apply to your current design. To add audio, go to the Audio tab, type in Christmas as your keyword, hover over the audio and click on the play button to listen to it, and once you've found one you like, click on the audio to apply to your design. Now you can click on the download button, save as an MP4 video file, and now you have a business graphic ready for the coming holiday season. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to grow your business. This is Jelly from LYFE Marketing, and I'll catch you in the next one.